Are you looking for that one product which reduces acne, acne marks and pigmentation?
Red covery serum with tranexamic acid is helpful for people with acne and pigmentation and also who want to recover from skin damage due to overuse of fairness creams, excessive facials and home remedies. Apply 1 to 2 drops of red covery serum on a clean dry face and leave it overnight, focusing on the areas with acne, redness, pigmented spots and sensitive areas of the skin. It can be used once daily, ideally at bedtime. If you have a lot of redness, you can also use it twice daily. Avoid applying red covery serum around the eyes.
Visible result in just 1 week with even better skin improvement with continued use. Reduction of redness, acne, skin sensitivity can be seen in 6 weeks by using red covery serum.